Fastest trains in the world. Number 10. THSR 700T Taiwan. THSR 700T top speed is at 186.4 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 186 miles per hour in just 15 minutes. Number 9. Frecciarassa, Italy. Frecciarassa top speed is at 190 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 190 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 8. Alstom Euroduplex, France. Alstom Euroduplex top speed is at 198.8 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 198 miles per hour in just 10 to 12 minutes. Number 7. Shinkansen Hayabusa, Japan. Shinkansen Hayabusa top speed is at 198.8 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 198 miles per hour in just 5 to 7 minutes. Number 6. Ice 3, Germany. Ice 3 top speed is at 205 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 205 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 5. Talgo 350, Spain. Talgo 350 top speed is at 217.4 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 217 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 4. AGV Italo, Italy. AGV Italo top speed is at 223.6 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 223 miles per hour in just 10 minutes. Number 3. Harmony CRH, China. Harmony CRH top speed is at 236.1 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 236 miles per hour in just 6 minutes. Number 2. Shanghai Maglev, China. Shanghai Maglev top speed is at 268 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 268 miles per hour in just 4 to 5 minutes. Number 1. SC Maglev, Japan. SC Maglev top speed is at 374.7 miles per hour. Has an acceleration from 0 to 374 miles per hour in just 2 to 3 minutes.